welcome to Virtual Storytime. I am Miss Steph. Do you know what animal I am today? I have a little bit of a shorter neck than usual, but I'm a giraffe, and we have some wonderful wild animal stories and songs for you. So first things first, we're gonna sing our hello song. Keep the beat on your legs, tap those legs and sing with me, and here we go. I'm so glad my friends are here today. I'm so glad my friends are here today. I'm so glad my friends are here today. Can I have a hip? Wiggle your fingers up high, high, high. Let's go a little faster. Hip. Let's go super fast. And can I have a hooray? Excellent. So our first story is Stop Snoring, Bernard, by Zachariah, OHora. And it's all about an otter that snores. So I need you to snore with me in the story. We're going to take big, loud sleeps. Can you go? As you can see, there's a giraffe in the cover. And I don't know if the giraffe likes that snoring. So let's see what happens. Stop snoring, Bernard. And look, they're at the zoo. Oh my goodness, I see a little pool. I see tigers and monkeys. Oh my. So, Bernard loved living at the zoo. He loved mealtime, playtime, and best of all, nap time. Aww. Taking a little nap, Bernard. But there was one little problem. Bernard snored loudly. Can you snore with me? One afternoon at nap time, Grumpy Giles had had enough. Snore somewhere else, Bernard, he said. Was that very nice? Grumpy Giles is not being very nice to Bernard. So Bernard tried sleeping in a lake. But, uh-oh. Can you do it with me? Put your hands to your cheek, say, uh-oh. That didn't work. Bernard is sleeping. Can you snore at me? Stop snoring, Bernard! Oh, who's that? It's an alligator. The alligators don't like Bernard snoring. Oh no! Poor Bernard flew up in the air, so startled. Where's Bernard gonna go? So he tried sleeping in a fountain, but uh-oh. Can you say it with me? Uh-oh. That didn't work either. Stop snoring, Bernard! Uh-oh. Who are these? They're giraffes. Like me. And they don't like the snoring either. They don't like it. Where's Bernard going to go? Where can he take a nap? He even tried sleeping in a puddle. But, uh-oh. That really didn't work. Who do you think is upset now? I think there's a clue in our book. Whose feet are those? You're right, they're an elephant. Oh, stop snoring, Bernard! Give me a little. Oh, they're spraying water at poor Bernard. Oh, they don't want him there. Where's Bernard going to go? Bernard was sad and lonely. He found a tucked up away place, curled up by himself, and drifted off to sleep. touch it, Bernard. I don't know, but look. Who's out there? Are those otters? Are those Bernard's otter friends? I wonder what they're doing. The other otters miss Bernard. They searched for him all through the night. Bernard! 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 Can you help look for Bernard? Shout his name. Bernard! 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 Do you think they'll find him? He is kind of hidden away. The next morning, Bernard woke up and saw hundreds of bats on the ceiling. Ooh, can you flap your arms? Give me a little ee. Do you think the bats like Bernard staying with them? Let's see. Excuse me, said Bernard. How did you sleep with all my snoring? We didn't, replied a bat. We were out all night, and now we're trying to sleep, so please don't snore here. Oh, can Bernard stay? I don't think Bernard can stay. Bernard felt terrible. There wasn't any place he could sleep without bothering somebody. He trudged towards the zoo gate. But then he heard something. It was the other otters. We couldn't sleep without you, said Grumpy Giles. And I'm sorry I yelled. Please come back. Can he go back with his friends? He can. It's okay that he snores. He's their friend and he can go back. And from that day on, everyone napped happily. Well, almost everyone. Ooh, good night, Bernard. Ooh. Oh, Grumpy Giles. Still pretty grumpy, but it's okay. And that is the end. Oh my goodness, if you like that story, give it a clap, 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 clap. If you like that story, give it a snore. Excellent. And now we have Amy with a fun animal song. Take it away, Amy. Bye, friends.
Hi, this is Miss Amy. Today we're going to do a lap rhyme called The Hippo on the Bus. This is a perfect rhyme for little babies. You can put them on your lap and it's perfect for bouncing along to the rhythm. All right, ready? A hippopotamus got on the city bus. And all the people said, "You're squishing us." A cow got on the bus. And all the people said, "Move over." All right, next one. A sheep got on the bus. And all the people said, "Back up." All right, a horse got on the bus. And all the people said, "Hi, neighbor." A chicken got on the bus. And all the people said, "Cluck, cluck." All right, last one, okay? We're going to pretend to be a bear. A bear got on the bus. And all the people said, "Shh."